Naiintindihan ko nasasaktan ka. Nasasaktan din kami ng mami mo. Kung maaari kong sirain lahat ng mga teleponong naninira sa'yo, gagawin ko. Masakit para sa amin, kita kang sinisiraan ng ibang tao. You're precious to us, anak.
Hindi mo na kailangan sabihin yan, Dad. You can't do anything now. Siguro noon, you're the first one who ruined me.
This is not true. How can I do that? Mahal ko kayo ng mahal mo.
I don't believe you now, Dad. Kung mahal mo ako, kami ni Mom, hindi sana ganito. You ruined me when you brought that Lilith into this world. Nasira yung tinatawag mong masayang pamilya, mahal mong pamilya, because you brought that Lilith into our lives.